20. ChatGPT Business Ideas. Hi friends, do you want to start a business using ChatGPT? Today, I will share 20 simple ChatGPT business ideas. Each idea includes a short story to help you understand. And number 18 is a real game changer. And please subscribe to this channel. 1. Blog writing service. Sarah loves writing. She used ChatGPT to help small businesses write blogs. Now, she earns money from home. 2. Social media content creator John helps fashion brands make Instagram posts. He uses ChatGPT to write cool captions every day. 3. Resume and cover letter writing. Emma started helping job seekers with their resumes. With ChatGPT, she made professional documents in minutes. 4. Online course creator David wanted to teach graphic design. He used ChatGPT to write course lessons and quizzes. Now, he sells the course online. 5. Children's storybook writer Lena loved bedtime stories. She used ChatGPT to write her own and sold them on Amazon. 6. Email marketing service. Tom used ChatGPT to write emails for e-commerce stores. He helped businesses get more customers. 7. YouTube scriptwriter Nina writes YouTube scripts for travel channels. She uses ChatGPT to make them fun and easy. 8. Podcast. Episode writer Alex runs a podcast about health. ChatGPT helps him write his talking points fast. 9. Website content service Sophia helps people create content for websites. ChatGPT writes clear and professional words for her clients. 10. AI-powered tutoring business Mike teaches English online. He uses ChatGPT to explain grammar and give practice quizzes. 11. Ebook writing and selling Rita wanted to write a health guide. With ChatGPT, she wrote an ebook in a week and started selling it. 12. Chatbot developer for businesses Leo helps small businesses create chatbots for websites. He uses ChatGPT's API to answer customer questions. 13. Scriptwriter for Reels and TikToks. Ava writes short video scripts for influencers. ChatGPT helps her make funny and viral ideas. 14. Product description. Writing Ryan helps online stores describe their products. ChatGPT makes it fast and SEO friendly. 15. Personal finance blog with AI help. Olivia started a finance blog for beginners. ChatGPT helped her write tips and guides. 16. Translation and localization assistant Carlos uses ChatGPT to translate English blogs into Spanish. He helps websites reach more people. 17. Business naming and branding ideas. Ella gives name and tagline ideas to new businesses. She uses ChatGPT to make creative suggestions. 18. Ad copywriting business. Sam writes ads for Facebook and Google. With ChatGPT, he makes catchy headlines and text fast. 19. AI-powered book summaries. Mia reads many books and shares short summaries online. ChatGPT helps her make quick, clear summaries. 20. Idea generator for entrepreneurs Jake offers startup ideas to new founders. He uses ChatGPT to explore business ideas for any budget. So, which idea did you like the most? You don't need to be a tech expert, just be creative and let ChatGPT help you. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.